A new MIT study shows large language models or LLMs used in healthcare may be missing the mark, not because they lack medical knowledge, but because they are too sensitive to style. Researchers discovered that LLMs used for medical triage reacted to non-clinical distractions like typos, extra spaces, dramatic wording, even missing gender details, by advising patients to treat themselves at home rather than seek professional care. When patient messages were subtly altered, say adding slang or small grammar mistakes, the models suggested self-management 7 to 9% more often, even when a clinic visit was warranted. Worse, female patients were disproportionately affected, getting misadvised more frequently, even in gender-neutral inputs. In contrast, human doctors stay consistent, unaffected by these quirks. That means models are fragile and can make risky recommendations based on trivial input differences. MIT experts say this strong evidence shows LLMs need rigorous auditing before being used in patient-facing medical settings. Thanks for watching this video. Find the link in the description of the video to register for my live AI course. Thanks.